Hello YouTube, MAFC Legend here, and I'm back again with the video. So in my previous videos, I did videos on Neymar and James Rodriguez linked to Manchester United, and now another person that's been linked to us is Marquinhos. He's a centre back plays for PSG currently, where he doesn't really play. He gets dropped a lot, but apparently he's one of the most impressive young centre backs in Europe, and I don't know because I've not really seen him consistently play enough, but he is good whenever he's played. So, Brazilian defender Marquinhos is flattered by Manchester United's reported interest in him and has hinted he could leave PSG in the summer. The 21-year-old is one of the most highly regarded young talents on the continent, but is yet to establish himself as a first teamer at French champions PSG, having started just 7 League One matches this season. United are expected to move for centre-back this year, with Phil Jones injury-prone and Daley Blind a stopgap alongside the impressive Chris Smalling. Marquinhos is the expensive teenager in the world when he joined PSG for €31.4 million, and he welcomed the link to United ahead of his substitution. "It's my pleasure, it means that we work well," he said. And he elaborated on his frustrations at PSG. He said, "Like everyone else, I always want to be a part of the starting lineup, but we always respect the choices of the coach and management. I will continue to work to get my place, but it's true that there will come a moment where I'm older and I can't just get used to sitting on the bench. There are 6 months left to win titles. After that, we'll see what happens." So let's do this vote. Would you want Marquinhos at United? And I wouldn't mind. And as you can see, 94% of people have said yes, and only 6% have said no. So that means we fans would welcome Marquinhos to Manchester United, and he would be really good. He's strong, he's fast, he's good in the air, and he's a really good player. And you never know, we could get him. So I'm gonna do a transfer general in terms of the players that have strongly been linked to us. Neymar's not a strong link. He's just a weak link at the moment, linked to Manchester United. But the strong links are Sadio Mane, Felipe Anderson, and now Marquinhos has been a strong link to Manchester United. Those three key players have been linked to us, and if you sign them, we could start playing better football because of the stature and the skill of these players. But we never know with Van Gaal's philosophy. He's really, I don't know, man. I still don't like Van Gaal, even though we did win against Swansea. But anyways, let me know what you think about Van Gaal, about Manchester United, about these signings in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, because I'm going to be doing a lot of content in the January transfer window. And I'll see you guys later.